you are letting this country down. The things you say and the things you do.
Sanibonani Mzansi, sanibonani bantu abahle, sanibonani good people, sanibonani bantu bakithi, the true patriots, not ama-hooligan, ama-vigilante azenza ayibiza ngama-patriots, kodwa efuna ukuthatha umthetho ubeke ezandleni zawo, ukudelela izwe, masuthi we-patriots, we-vigilante. Ngiyamuzwa lokhu uzani uphakela umthakathi uyakhuluma ukhuluma nje into ongeke uzukwazi ukuthi ngempela ukucabanga kwalomuntu kumi kanjani, kanti kunesifo esikhona nje sesifikile kulezi insuku. Ukuzonda uMalema kuyenza nje nomqondo engathi awusebenzi, uvele nje ukhulume into ngale kokucabanga, umqondo ngathi awusebenzi uma uzonda umnumzane uMalema. Ngoba manje ufisa ngako konke usuku nosuku ukuthi ushintshe iqiniso ukuthi libe ngamanga, okuyinto ke esingesivume ngoba thina zonke izinto zenzeka phambi kwethu, si-aware ngezinto ezenzekalayo ukuthi zenzeka kanjani. Ngoyigada leyo ngozi ukuthi ukuzonda nje uMalema kukodwa kuyenza nongathi umqondo awusebenzi, nokukhokhelwa egameni lokuthi udicampaign e-EFF nako kukodwa lokho kuyasehlisa nje nesithunzi nengqondo kube ngathi nje ayisebenzi, ngoba uvela ikhulume into siyibuza ukuthi hawu kwenzakalani ke manje. Ngoba uma uthi siyabheka, ngithanda ngoba uphakela umthakathi, ngizoqala ngekuthi Indlulamithi Yamakhosi, inkosi yakaZulu ehleli njengamanje esihlalweni, ikhulumile yakhuza amaZulu ukuthi musani ukuphatha kabi abantu bangaphandle. Inkosi, izwi lenkosi ke ngazi ukuthi liyahlonishwa mina, izwi lenkosi yesizwe enkulu njengeNdlulamithi Yamakhosi. Angeke ngazi nanokuyigagula ngegama, ake ngiyibeke nje ngithophe ukuthi Indlulamithi Yamakhosi. Then kudlule lapho sizothola umnumzane Ramaphosa ekhuza bona lokuba umdlwembe nokungafuni ukuhlonipha umthetho wezwe. Wathi abantu abazohlukumeza abantu bokufika, wathi labo bantu kumele baboshwe, amaphoyisa wasebenze 24/7 ukuvikela abantu abase-South Africa. Abangama-foreigner, ama-South African awavikeleke. Amazwi kaPresident lawo. Ubaba uNcamalala naye uke wakhuluma amazwi kanje phambilini esayi-head of state. uJulius Silo Malema wenza iproposal ukuthi ngoba sesinenkinga iyokuthi labantu bakhona, wethu uyathanda noma uthandi bakhona ezweni, indlela ukuthi asiba document. Ukuba document doesn't mean ukuthi you give these people citizenship, they have a right to vote or enjoy any benefits as South Africa. No, akushiwo kanjalo, kodwa just ukuthi uwazi ukuthi nabantu abangana, even noma kuthiwa wenza ubugebengu ukwazi ukumtracer umthole, kushiwo lapho, hayi lento esenikhuluma njengamanje. Umholi we-Action SA Herman Mashaba uyikhulumile indaba ye-documentation, yes, ingenye yama-proposal. uHelen Zille uvele wawesi-ke lo engingakhulumi ngayo, wathi labantu ba-right for i-economy. Then uma ngikubekela bonke labaholi labasebekhulume lento le, wena uzothini njengamanje? Uzophika umuntu oyedwa. uRamaphosa ade ekhuluma indaba ukuthi labantu kumele badocument, nalapho usazophika umuntu oyedwa. Ngeke bakwethu, ngicela ni strategize kahle, asizona izingane, musanisenza izingane. Awukwazi ukuthi uzophika umuntu oyedwa amongst abantu abawu6 abakhulu, uzothi yena uyisitha. Ihluke ngani lenkulumo kunalabantu laba? Ihluke ngani? Ngeke ngezivume. And futhi ufanele wazi phakela umthakathi ukuthi thina siphuma kunhlanhla thina siphuma kunhlanhla thina. Umuntu obe understand igame, yazo siphuma kunhlanhla obesha amashushu ngaphezu kwakho. Angazi wena nje le mali onikezwe yona ukuthi mhlambe uzolokhuza uzokhuluma ngale ndlela okhuluma ngayo, engabe ukhokhelwe ngesazi njengoba mhlambe nawe usuphithwe imiqondo kwaze kwathiwa believer ekuthenini isitha sabantu base South Africa uJulius Sello Malema. Ngani ngokuthi yena shuthi akanayo right yokuphendula. Abantu ekufanele bakhulume yinina. Nina kade nisho nje nini ukuthi uma kungaliwa kungashawa umuntu ungafusekiswa umuntu niyabhoreka. So manje kufanele thina sinithathe serious. Sinithathe serious. Ngeke phakela umthakathi ngeke mfethu. Leyo nto angazi kuyihlazo ukuthi uzoyiveza kwi social media. Uzoyiveza kwi social media ukuthi wena hayi ngeke ngesivume. Ayikho inhlamba nokusabisa nani ongakwenza nabangani bakho la benidudene ngokuthi nime ngegama likaMalema okuzomisa ukuthi sithanda uMalema. Sizomthanda sizomvotela asicele permission kunina ngobani into ayikhulumayo siyayizwa iyayakha isense. Awukwazi ukuthi uzoxosha abantu ithini solution because njengama ade sikhuluma indaba ukuthi iSouth Africa isiluze 80 million not 80 rand. Hawu akona 80,000 80 million not ulokhuzana akukhulunywa ngothi uBhobho la abaluzwe iSouth Africa ihambisa labantu ihambisa only 400,000 then inumber isi doubled then ukahle thina ufuna silokho esibhizi sithela amanzi ebhakedeni elivuzayo sibe sazi kahle ukuthi leli bhayida lisoze lagcwala. Ngeke phakela umthatha please sikhulumeleni izinto ezizokwakha isense hayi ilokhuzana hayi ukuthi nizokhuluma ngokucasuka kwenu nemizwa yenu. Khulumani izinto ezizokwakha isense ngeke ayizondi inkabi nami ngisho njalo.
Okay guys, idle comment yeah, they represent African foreigners in South Africa. It's the same EFF told foreigners to find ways to enter South Africa in country where we are #1 in the world with high rate unemployment no matter what. The first thing I'm gonna tell you is to read. I think black people can't read. You guys don't read because there are people in my comment section who are asking me why should they vote and who should they vote for. Guys, the manifestos of these parties are there. Read. Keyword here is to read. Second, guys, this is internet information. Like, if you can go on your Google search or your internet right now and search Malema foreigners, you will see what Malema says about foreigners, not what you're saying. Lendo Villa is a hearsay. You had someone saying it and you ran with it because you're a stupid person. Guys, read. Teach yourselves to read. Even if you many clip your 2 minutes, for example, go back, what was the backstory before you come on the internet and comment, before you run with the narrative. Because what we do on the internet, I take the 30-second clip and then put it here for reach bait and followers and likes, whatever. That's what we do as well for likes. Go as a black person, go find time and go read, go find the full story before you make these accusations and assumptions. Because we are #1 highest unemployment rate in the world because of white people and ANC. I fault Kamalem, ANC and white people, not EFF. EFF is not in power. Guys, this is the article. I'm gonna pause it to read because if you don't wanna read, then that's your problem. Now we problem no inch and go Minister of Education. The article. That's the article. The EFF agrees that we do not want undocumented people in South Africa. So Malema agrees but we do not want illegal foreigners in South Africa. So when you start going in the narrative about Malema saying all Africans should come here. And another thing that I hate about you guys have no problems with white foreigners. The only problem that you guys have, it's black foreigners. Do you see how washed up you guys are? Apartheid. Because Nazi Orania is there. Orania exists, and it's a white space in South Africa. It's a white place that allows only white people in South Africa. You guys don't say shit about that. In Cape Town, white people are striking, but for Cape Town to be its own country. in South Africa, our country, bafuna uthatha Cape Town bayenze country yabo. White people, and you guys are not saying anything, and your biggest concern is foreigners. Because you guys are so washed up in xenophobia. You don't care about white foreigners. The only concern you guys have is black foreigners. That is the issue. This is another highest unemployment rate. This is another article. We need to prioritize South Africans. Malema wants locals for the job. This is comment, but that's in the article proving you guys this is another article. Malema tells Zimbabweans to find work in their country. So where go to Malema prioritize foreigners over South African? And guys, in my page, you know, guys, I'm doing politics because I feel like all politicians are liars, and once somebody could pause as chicken. But go on my page so far, the only party that advocates to what I align with black people, the EFF. So if you're my page, tell you vote the EFF. If you don't know what you have to vote for, tell you vote the EFF. Please vote for EFF. EFF is for black people. It's for black students, because every time students can testify, every time students in an issue at university, who they call EFF. Every time when you guys are experiencing racism on these socials, who are you guys taking? EFF. Zanga nabona mntu take ANC. Zanga nabona students phone ANC when they're in trouble, they call EFF. So ngicela ka ku page yami, as long as you page yami, guys, please ndiyakucela, ndiyaguqa black people, vote for EFF.
Lalelani ma South Africans, ipolitiki akusiyona yethu. Ipolitiki akusiyona isystem yethu njengama Africans. Kodwa njengamanje isystem okuyiyona ekhona esisebenzisayo yiyo le politiki la eSouth Africa. That is why sikuyi democratic country right now. So ngizothi ke mina kuwe, yabona into engishoyo, angiqala ukisho. Hlukana umuntu waseNingizimu Afrika nokuba umlandeli wepolitiki. Hlukana nokuba umlandeli wepolitiki. Landela ama-ideas, hayi osopolitiki nama-personalities abo. Landela ama-ideas. Umuntu waseNingizimu Afrika, ngiqala ukisho lento le. Yeka uba umlandeli weqembu lepolitiki ngathi ulandela ibhola. Asidlali la. Akuwona umdlalo ipolitiki. Hleze beshe bethe ipolitiki is a dirty game. No, loya game umsusa. Umsusa loya game, politiki akusiyona igame. Akuwona umdlalo ipolitiki. Ipolitiki la sikhuluma ngeimpilo zethu la, sikhuluma ngento eserious, sikhuluma ngeimpilo zethu. Sikhuluma ngefuture yethu. Sikhuluma ngefuture yengane zethu lezi esizozala. Sikhuluma ngefuture yecountry. Ipolitiki ungalala namhlanje izwe li right, uvuke kusasa liqumbeke phansi lise dustini ngenxa yepolitiki. So ipolitiki akusiwona umdlalo. Umuntu waseNingizimu Afrika yekela ukulandela iqembu lepolitiki ngathi ulandela ibhola. Phuma lapho. Uyabona nje mawune membership, akuyinuka amakhwapha. Mawune membership yeqembu lepolitiki, akuyinuka amakhwapha. Awukwazi kuba umlandeli weqembu lepolitiki, because like if I say something ngokuba ne membership. Mawune membership yeqembu lepolitiki, it shows ukuthi whoever ozongena lapha yana ahlale phezulu lapha esihlalweni, noma ngaze kuthiwe unjani, wena uphikisana kangakanani naye, uzoqhubeka ube ingxenye yalelo qembu. Yini? It's because wena you support iqembu, awukwazi ukulahla iqembu lakho une membership. Awukwazi ukuthi lo muntu lo ngoba uyabona ukuthi no, le leader le, this is not supposed to be a leader ekumele ngabe simnikeza amavoti. Awukwazi kumiyeka. Awukwazi ukuyeka. Yini? Usupport iqembu, sewenzele iqembu. Awusenzeli manje country. Kahle kahle wona sewugembule ngecountry ngale nto leyo. Ugembule ngecountry ngoba the minute uhamba uyovotela umholi kwayiwena ungamboni kahle, kwayiwena ungamthembi. Lo muntu lamehlala lapha phezulu uthi akwenzekeni ngecountry. It shows ukuthi awunendaba. The minute uhamba uyomvotela, it shows ukuthi awunendaba necountry. Into nendaba na ukuthi ngoba kuwini iqembu lakho. Ma South African ake siphume kule ngqondo le. Kumele ngabe sonke si-neutral. Kumele ngabe sonke si-neutral. Yabona mina ngi-neutral mina. Mina ngi-neutral. Mina amaqembu esengiwavotelile nje all along maningi kabi. esengwavotile mangibona into sekumsangano ke manje angihambisani ke nalo ngiyambona umduma lo ngiyashintsha ngibheka omunye kumele ngabe sonke si neutral. Let me show you ukuthi how to be neutral kulento yepolitiki. Ma neutral kulento yepolitiki, you are able to look at kiwona wonke amaqembu, you understand, njoba kuzovota uhlale phansi ubheka ama manifesto wabo bonke. Mangithi bonke, I'm not talking about this nonsense yamaqembu awu-1000. I'm not talking about that shit. Udoti lento amaqembu awu-1000, you understand. Kumele ngabe uphika emaqenjini amathathu. Kumele ngabe siphika emaqenjini at least abe mathathu, senze show ukuthi at least mangabe i-competition izoba ayibe la kulamaqembu lawa awu-3 kuphela. Mangithi amaqembu awu-3, I'm also not talking about leli qembu kade lokhu lisiphethe all along lehlulekile. Lisiphathile lahluleka sekuyinto ukuthi iphume. I'm not talking about that one. And I'm not talking about iqembu elivuna abantu bangaphandle over iSouth Africa, because it shows ukuthi ngeke senzelwe lutho thina kuzokwenzelwa abantu ukuhamba. You understand? Kuzoba yibona abazobenefita kule country. Kusho umuntu wala eNingizimu Afrika angeke benefit lutho. I'm not talking about those ones. And I'm not talking about iqembu elisupport ukuthi kube nama illegal immigrants la just because lona advocatela ini ibusiness. Advocatela ama capitalist. Then kumele kube nabantu aba illegal la ukuze ama business ezokwazi ukuthola ini ama cheap labor. I'm not talking about that one. That one is out. I'm talking about abantu ababeka ama South Africans phambili. Kumele abe at least isikhuluma ukuthi competition isemaqenjini amathathu. You understand? Senze sure ukuthi lawo maqembu amathathu sihlala phansi siya analyze sibheka ama manifesto wabo. Uma sesizobhekile ama manifesto wabo bese uqala phansi ke manje ubheka ini umholi lo lapha phezulu. Ubuyele emuva ubheka ihistory yakho uvelaphi. You understand? Yini akake wayenza, wadlala yiphi indima emphakathini akasuka kuona. Yabona, wadlala yiphi indima okukhombisa ukuthi yena umholi, usuka kude nalento uba umholi. You understand? Mase ukubhekile konke lokho, usuyambheka ke manje ukuthi okay, ukusuka manje lo muntu lo angasibekaphi ngendlela akenza ngakhona. Yini akaseyenzile la kuleli qembu? Leli qembu leli yini eseliyenzile ebantwini? Because I don't think mina ukucampaigna kufanele ukuthi kube mayelana ukugcwalisa istadium. Because kusetshenziswa ama million ukugcwalisa istadium lapha yana. Ucampaigna kugcwalisana ne stadium. Leyo mali lekufuze ngabe yenza something emphakathini. That's the best way of campaigning. Ukuthatha leya mali leya esetshenziswa budedengu kuyodlalwa lapha kuyogidagida qanjwa amanga khulunywa ngipongoloza kumenyezwa lapha kuqashwa abaculi, qashwa istage edurayo, kuqashwa istadium. Leyo mali leyo ingenza something ebantwini abahluphekayo. Ingenza something ebantwini abahluphekayo. Ingabangula umphakathi from iproblem ubhekene nayo leyo mali leyo. Isuka iningi kabi. You understand? Therefore, campaign akangcono is to do something. Noma ngabe kuncane kangakanani, do something. Then we know ukuthi wena you've done 1 2 3. Then if we are giving you power, then you're going to be able to give us the best. Why? Because you've gave us the little with the little that you have. You understand? That's the way of campaign. Sibheka lokho masibuka umuntu. Bese mase uqedile ukuanalyze lapho ukuthi okay lo muntu wenze lokho, usuka la wenze lokho, lo mholo lo uyisima kanjani, yabona? So analyzile yonke lonto bese ubheka ke manje ukuthi alright. Ake sibuke ke manje ukuthi mangathiwa nangu uyaphatha. Iliphi cabinet azosinikeza lona? Unalo ni cabinet because awukwazi ukuvotela i1 man show. You can't. Mawuhlakaniphile ekhanda uvulile la. Awukwazi ukuvotela i1 man show. Umuntu okuyena yedwa othembe yena nje ukuthi yena uzoba umengameli. And then awukwazi amanye ama leader wona because we have a ministry. Kumele wenze sure ukuthi la uphuma na wonke ama minister abalekile adingakalayo. Akhona la kule iqembu leli. Abantu aba capable of doing umsebenzi. Yabona? Then ma neutral uyakwazi ukuanalyze yonke leyo nto leyo. But mengabe ungekho wena neutral, une membership. Wena uneqembu, wena uneqembu lakho nje ulilandelayo nje. Awukwazi ukubheka amanye amaqembu ukuthi asiphatheleni wona. You understand? Lapho ke lasifeyila khona thina. Ilapho lasifike sibonakale khona ukuthi kahle kahle ipolitiki akusiyona yethu. That is why go America uzothola kunamaqembu awu2. Mase bebona ukuthi lesi liyabheda bayashintsha bevotela elinye iqembu. Because by understand the system eyabo. Thina le akusiyona yethu, but nathi since sisebenzisa we have to be critical kiyo. Singasukubhayiza kanje ema South Africans. Singasukubhayiza kanje. Nama membership unilandela amaqembu niqoka ikipa niyagijima ngapha nangapha niyalwa nisithukela amaqembu ezepolitiki. You don't care about i-country, into enendaba nayo amaqembu ezepolitiki. Tshentshani indlela enibuka ngayo ipolitiki ma South Africans.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Ayisana ama-EFF members adokuqaka, are they really saying ukuthi bona they don't say anything wrong with what Malema is doing, with what Malema is saying about foreigners? The thing of Malema protecting foreigners, bona they don't care about that. They are saying ukuthi writing ukuba protect ama-foreigners, we are all African. Even inkosi uSilo sishilo ukuthi bangabahluphi, even Ramaphosa ushilo. Like what? Are you guys really gonna agree with everything that Malema says or do just because you guys are members of EFF? It really doesn't make sense. Whether we are born leyo ndo leyo destroy South Africa, you guys don't care as long as nima members EFF, you guys wanna be loyal. Ngisho senibona ukuthi umuntu wenu umphathi wenu uyabhetha nje. Even other EFF members are saying ukuthi bayasola why bavotele EFF, and there are people who still say ukuthi uMalema right, bantu bamgqeka mahala uMalema, but uMalema right ukuthi alwele ma-foreigners. Like what? Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out, so goodbye.